You know, it's in Canada. We have been let out of the doghouse. We're all running outside. Whichever mall is open, we're all there. I'm all there. I'm like all there. These curls are hot for the summer. They're giving summer vibes. Hello again, my friends, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you have been doing well. I hope you're enjoying the weather outside. Where I am, it's sunny and warm, and we just got released from detention in Canada. So we are like all flocking out and enjoying the weather. So I hope you're also enjoying the weather wherever you are. But today, in this whole video, we're talking about how you can achieve this look in under $20. I mean, like, how many times have you wasted $20 on unhealthy food? It's usually unhealthy food. How many times have you done that? So I'm gonna show you in this video how to achieve this look in under $20. It's cheap, it's synthetic hair. You can wear this for the summer. It's a headband. We can call it a headband wig, right? Yeah, it's a headband wig. Only took me about 30 minutes to make. And to style it, which was like just cutting it off, took me about 5 to 10 minutes. So it's something you can actually do overnight and wear it the next day, or do it in the morning and go to that barbecue in the evening. So it's a win-win situation. We're using this synthetic hair. It's crochet hair that I found in the hair supply store, and it only costed me $497. I could have used 6 pieces, but I bought 5 pieces. I really liked that this hair was 4-in-1 crochet. It has 1 loop and has 4 whatever things. If I had used maybe other curly hair, I would have had to separate it by myself manually, and that would have disrupted the curl, and that would have given me so many, I don't know, frizzy hair or stuff, and I didn't want that. So I was like really excited that I got this. If you're not able to find this, I think you can use really other hair that you can find. I was gonna go with passion twist crochet. I had picked it up and then walked to the clearance section, and I found this. I ditched it and got these ones because, you know, they were on sale and it's like perfect. I have been wanting to invest in a good wig, like a good curly natural human hair wig, and I just didn't know how I was gonna look in it. So this is giving me the opportunity to actually test this out, experience curls, like long curls on my hair, and if I like it, then I'm gonna, you know, pull the plug and invest in a very good human hair wig that is curly. Maybe not this tight curls, but something like that. If you're excited about this, let's dive into the video.
We are using one of these mesh crochet wig caps, and you will need, of course, the crochet needle. As I told you, it has a loop. This hair has a loop and 4 separations. It has been separated for you, so you don't have to do it yourself, which is a good thing. So I'm not going to assume that everybody actually knows how to crochet, so I'm just going to explain. You will put the crochet needle through one of those holes and loop the braid in and pull it out and then lock it. I think if you look at it closely, you can see what I'm doing. I am also spacing them out by 1 inch out and above, so all round it's 1 inch. And as you can see, as I went closer to the top, as I kept doing that, as you can see, I spaced them out even more, like 1.5 inches, and this is because I realized I don't need that much hair. The place that I needed most hair is at the front, and that when that falls back, it will fall over those empty spaces and it will cover it. And besides, I didn't need this wig to be heavy or bulky. I wanted it to have as less hair as possible, so it can look as natural as possible. Also, a cool tip if you are trying to direct the hair, if you want it to lie to a certain direction, especially at the front, you know, you want it to lie maybe to the sides and to the back, I realized that you're going to have to insert the crochet needle from the opposite side of where you want the hair to lie to, so that when it loops, it will lay flat towards the side where the crochet needle entered towards. I hope that makes sense, but if you're going to try this out, you will see what I mean. As you can see, I put most of the hair at the front because that's where we need most coverage. I spaced them out by 1/2 inch ish, but if I had more hair, I would have like even put more, but I'm going to wear this with a black wig cap, so you're not going to be able to see the spaces underneath.
Initially I was just gonna cut it like above my shoulder, but I like how it's falling, but the back is like really long. I'm gonna try this length first. Yeah, I think I like that length. You know what, I'm gonna take it out so that I don't mess it up and put it back on the mannequin, so that I can, like, you know, now that I know where I'm cutting. Did I mark that? And it's a good thing my mannequin is on a table, so like that can give me good guidance.
I should have used a sharp pair of scissors, but I just grabbed whatever was there. I'm not being too perfect with this because curly hair is not actually perfect in length, and that's my excuse. I'm just like snipping away what I can see, and it will still look good.
I like this length, it looks more natural. Looks like a more natural length for curly hair. So I'm gonna keep this length, and I like the curls how they are, so I'm going to like I'm going to saturate the hair with got-to-be glue so that the curls don't, you know, unravel and end up with this. You see how you can see this starting to, like, I don't know, unravel. I was really careful so that I don't mess it all up, so I'm going to, like, you know, protect the curls with that so that these can last longer. Hopefully wear it a few times in the summer, but I'm really loving this, like, really. I'm totally feeling this. This wig is giving summer vibes, but obviously I'm not gonna wear it like that with the elastic showing. No, that's crusty. So I got these, what are these called? Headbands. I got these headbands, and I really like the navy blue ones, so that's what we're gonna wear with this one. But I'm obviously gonna show you other things you can wear with. These I can easily pop in and go to the mall to buy groceries and stuff, and I can swing it around like that, and like, you know, the elastic is like snug enough. It's not too tight, but it's snug enough that it's not going to fall off. And especially if you have a protective style in there, it's going to give it that resistance. It's gonna give it that resistance so that it can stay. So I really love this. Like I could I could even wear this to the gym when the gym's open, and then I can, you know, hold it back like that. But I'm really loving this. Who knew such a simple style could look like really this good? So another way I was thinking is just to put a scarf on it. So yeah, like that. Oops. And if you're gonna wear it with the scarf, the knots you're tying here, you can, you know, adjust how tight you want that to be. It can give you like extra security. I should cut this off. For now, I'm gonna tuck it in and hide it somewhere because we don't want that. So yeah, that's it for us today. Like, I hope I have motivated you to, like, you know, pick whatever you have, like no expense at all. So these probably costed me $20 or less, because the cap that I sewed it on was $3 and these were $4.99. They're, say $25. So this is a headband wig for $25 for the summer. How many times have you wasted $25 on food? If you decide to do this, let me know how it went for you. Also, you can share your pictures with me. You can follow me on my Instagram, slay_mom, that's slay mom, and you know, tag me in your pictures so that I can see what you made. Thanks again for watching. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. And don't be a stranger. Bye. Non-quarantine vibes.
You're welcome for that little sneeze.
I will be sure to include it.